I am exhausted now. Should I stop? No, I can't. I'll keep run for 15 more minutes. The morning weather is pleasantly cool, and I should take the opportunity to enjoy this refreshing morning. I am incredibly fortunate to have a boyfriend who is a truly good-hearted person. I'll improve my body shape to give him a surprise. He loves my heart more than my physical appearance. Hey, honey, where are you at this moment? I wanted to meet you. Oh, you are in the market. What are you doing there? You might be buying something for me, right? Because you have never gifted me anything since the beginning of our relationship. I don't care much about gifts. If you buy a gift for me, I would be so happy. Are you coming then to the park where we meet? Hey, honey, how was your day? You are looking stressed.
Yeah. Nothing serious, just a little bit worried.
You didn't bring a gift for me. I expected this time.
Sorry. I was in a hurry. I couldn't buy that.
Don't make excuses. I know you very well.
Don't be angry. You know my financial condition, right?
Yes, I know that, but why don't you start working?
I am interested in business. I can grow faster if I do business.
That's nice. I totally agree with you. If you found more interested in business, then go ahead.
Yeah. I want to start as soon as possible. But, as you know, my financial condition is not well.
I know, but how much money do you need to start your business?
It's not a small amount, you know. I am not sure, maybe $1 million.
It's a huge amount of money. How will you start the business?
I know, it's tough, but I have to do something about this.
I am worried now, because my parents are forcing me to marry.
Marry? Why? I mean, you haven't completed your study. Don't you want to continue your study anymore?
It's not like that. I want to, but my parents are worried for me.
I am not getting you at all. Why are your parents worried?
They are getting older. They want me to settle with my life partner.
Oh, I see. I can't marry you. Especially at this moment.
How can you say this so easily? How will I live without you?
I don't want to hurt you, but you need to understand my situation. You have to think practically, not emotionally.
I don't want to think anything. Stop making excuses. I don't need money. I want you in my life. That's it.
Hahaha. Be practical. I am not kidding at all. It's easy to say, but difficult to do. Just a few days after, your words will be changed. The reality is, without money, we can't be happy.
I will start working after marriage. You no need to worry.
How sweet. I want to give you the best life. This is why I need to work hard.
I have told you my opinion. You tell me your decision now.
I can't understand anything. How will I make you understand? I am not in that situation. I have to manage money to start my business.
I can help you with money if you want.
Really? No thanks. How will you manage a huge amount of money?
I will ask my father and I will let him know about you.
Oh my God. No, no. I don't want your money. What will think your father about me?
Nothing. Calm down. Don't you know my father?
I know that he is a kind person. I can't take the help anymore.
Then what will you do now? I am so tired now.
Tired? What's the reason?
I was running to reduce my fat. I want to be slim like other girls.
Ops. You don't need to be slim. I told you before that I like you the way you are.
Your all-female friends are slim and beautiful, and I am not.
Ha ha ha. Come on. I don't care about that. I just think not about any other girls.
I want to join the gym. I want to reduce my fat, seriously.
Okay, I will take you there tomorrow.
Thanks. Honey, let's go and find the solution.
If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.